What is going on? I'm in the Ozarks today, near the base of Magazine Mountain. This right behind me you see is Big Shoal Creek. I'm in a place called Sorghum Hollow, and take it from me, based on this thing that came flying through the woods earlier, I thought it was a drone or something, but it turned out just to be a giant, some kind of crazy bug or whatever. Not a whole lot of places more natural than in the Ozarks. So I brought a barbecue grill that is pretty natural itself. Let's take a peek at this. All right, you're in the middle of the woods. So what could be more natural than a barbecue pit that's made out of wood too? What we got here is a Naturehike. It's a charcoal grill, and we're going to use it to cook some wings tonight. But first we're going to take a peek at it. Alrighty, this unit right here is a Naturehike. Okay, this is one of those units where on Amazon they have several of them that are different brands, same stove. Somebody named DK, I think it is. I'll leave both links in the description. They go back and forth on sale, $170, $155 back and forth. But this unit right here is the Naturehike. It is extremely light. It's a charcoal grill, so no canisters. You're gonna have to carry a little charcoal with you. But with a kind of a unique design with the wood on the sides and a very unique way of opening up. This unit right here is gonna be 16 inches wide. The grill surface is 8 inches on that. So let's take a peek at what this looks like. So what you do is you grab the handle and hold the back, and this thing folds right down into position, just like that. And then this little tray comes off. You're gonna fill your charcoal under here, get that rolling. Once it's good, put your bars back on, and oops, you're ready to grill whatever you're having for dinner. Myself, we're going to do some wings on this tonight. I'm going to throw some charcoal in here in a second, and then we'll get it fired up and see what's going on. All right, you know how to work a barbecue grill. Charcoal. Take this off here. You could use one of those little wax cubes that you use for starting a campfire, maybe. I end up buying match light. Some people like lighter fluid. Whatever you want to do. I get this charcoal that's got a little bit of wood in it. And I'm only going to make a little batch of wings here, so I'm just going to actually really fill up one side here. Give it a little room to breathe. Make yourself a little stack. All right, so we're looking for nice white on the outside, embers on the inside, you know, glowing a little red, white on the outside, not too much black left before we're going to want to spread this out and cook it. Some of the feedback on Amazon for this was, the reviews were that the charcoal was a little too close to the surface, so it cooked everything a little fast, burnt some things. I'm personally eating a steak, rare, mid-rare, with a nice dark char on the outside. I like my wings charred up pretty good, so I don't know. Maybe they were using charcoal that was still burning. Maybe they like their steak well done, and I don't know. We'll find out here in a second when we're cooking. Maybe it is too hot. Let's see. Alrighty, we are looking pretty good, nice and white. I mean, you guys know how to work a charcoal barbecue. I imagine this one here, we're going to lay it fairly flat. And once you get them kind of just laid out, we'll throw the grill top back on. I mean, she's definitely hot, so that's nice. All right, once everything is spread out, we're just going to get some chicken wings I got going. Slide them right on there. Close. Pulling in. All right, look, immediately hit them with some grace. I like the oxtail seasoning. They make a bunch of good spices. We're going to sauce them down later on with something I'm going to show y'all anyways, but just to get the flavor rolling. All right, we got this first flip, and we didn't really see anything that's a hot spot. A little crispy there, which is good. Everything's looking fine. Nothing to do with a hot spot. A little bit right there, you know. But, you know, if you're cooking stuff fast or grilling a steak or something anyways, you should be fine. Leave yourself a little room off to the edge to rest it so it's not so direct. All right, so all the food came out really good. Didn't really get anything burnt, nothing like that. Wings, a little tiger sauce. But stay tuned because actually one of the killer apps for this is how easy it is to clean. I mean, clearly you have to take your grate off, and you got to clean whatever mess you got on that off yourself. But once everything has cooled down enough, you got a place to dump it, or it's the next morning. It's a pretty simple process of you grab it by the back and you grab it by the handle, and you lift it over a dump area, and then when you shut it, everything falls right off the bottom. And bam, you're clean. All right, so far this unit worked pretty good. Take a look at this video. Check out the links for these products in my description. Y'all take it easy.